Welcome back. Now let's take you through this video that's been now once again posted on the social media. It is of the actor Kajol. Remember the controversy that she quoted recently where she was at a party and was accused of consuming beef. Now the actor had posted a video of herself attending a party where only one of the dishes allegedly served was beef. The video instantly went viral and soon enough the actor found herself in a not so savory spot with people speculating that she had been consuming cow meat. She in fact invited the host over and asked him what he had prepared. The answer was beef, pepper, water and dry lentils and dry beef. Now this is what the hostess said, and contrary to this is what Kajol posted yesterday on her social media. But first let's take a listen in to what exactly this video says.
Ryan, come here. Explain what that was, because everybody wants to know.
That's the beef pepper water with dry lentils and dry beef.
Okay, and we're going to cut his hands off after this. Okay, bye-bye, thank you.
Let's take you through what Kajol posted in her defense on the social media yesterday, where she said a video of me at a friend's lunch said that there was a beef dish at the table. That's a miscommunication. What was shown was buff or the buffalo meat. That is legally available meat. I'm issuing this clarification because this is a sensitive matter that may hurt religious sentiments, which is not my intention. Let's take you through the video once again of Kajol that's gone on the social media, which the actor posted herself. Let's first listen to that before going to a reporter.
Ryan, come here. Explain what that was, because everybody wants to know.
That's the beef pepper water with dry lentils and dry beef.
Okay, and we're going to cut his hands off after this. Okay, bye-bye, thank you.
Let's go across to Amit, who's joining us at this moment. Amit, it's an unsavory soup, as they call it, that Kajol has found herself in, because which one do we believe? The video that she first posted or her clarification where she said it wasn't beef but buff caught on the wrong foot?
Well, Kajol as an actor is not very active with social media, and lately she has got a bit active, and this thing happened with her friend, who was an ex-journalist called Ryan Stephen. So Ryan Stephen and Kajol go a long way. So Ryan has been associated with Kajol, and he was my ex-colleague also. So what happened at the party that Ryan wanted Kajol to promote his restaurant, his new dish, and this thing happened with that. So they were actually doing it in the fun spirit, but actually this whole fun spirit went really wrong, and the social media didn't took too kindly to their fun injections that they were making over the dish or the restaurant. So Kajol was quick to, we spoke to the Kajol spokesperson, and they were quick to issue a clarification, because Kajol is not such a controversial kind of a person, and clarified in the first instance that this was not beef as the beef which has been banned. It's the beef which is available in India. So it's a matter which Kajol has slightly clarified, but since social media, the buzz with what has happened and the whole thing about celebrities endorsing a particular thing and the kind of the rules and regulations that have been laid out in the country. But
Yes.
I think it was a fun thing went wrong. Yeah.
Well, but I mean, given the clarification, that aside, should the actor would have stayed away from the controversy altogether? Let's play out that video once again for our viewers that's been posted online, where she herself is asking a friend, as my colleague Amit is mentioning, what is cooking, and this reply.
Ryan, come here. Explain what that was, because everybody wants to know.
That's the beef pepper water with dry lentils and dry beef.
Okay, and we're going to cut his hands off after this. Okay, bye-bye, thank you.
All right, now Amit, it's very clear when she is talking in this video that it is an attempt at the humor as well, which she should have stayed away perhaps from. And the fact that she posted this video online, do you believe that it was, though it could have been an innocent mistake, but the actor's apology on Twitter is not enough for all her fans?
Oh, well, I guess unlike many others, she was quick to issue an apology, and she knew her mistake. I mean, I think it was really an honest, simple mistake, and Kajol always has been honest about all her things. So I think we can give her the benefit of doubt, and it was really a simple mistake. She didn't realize what would take such a toll, and she was quick to clarify it.
An apology or a cover-up, Amit? Is it an apology or a cover-up as well? Because in this video, she's clearly mentioning that her friend is cooking beef. Let's take a listen in once again. Let's take a listen into this video once again.
Ryan, come here. Come here. Come here. Explain what that was, because everybody wants to know.
That's the beef water with dry lentils and dry beef.
Okay. And we're going to cut his hands off after this. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you.
All right, that's Kajol, who's caught on the wrong foot clearly. We saw the clarification yesterday. Let's take you through it once more here on the social media, where she had said after this video went viral, a video of me at Friends Lunch, said that there was beef dish at the table. That's a miscommunication. This is what Kajol has said, that it's a miscommunication. What was shown was buffalo meat, and that is legally available meat. She said it's buff, not beef, but the fact remains that in this video she's also made a prank and a comment saying that now it's time that we would cut his hand off as well, and that's the prank that she's making when she's when a friend is clearly saying that it is indeed beef.